Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the language on your CapCut PC. So go up here to menu and go to go to settings, sorry. So go to menu and go to settings, and you are going to select language, and here are the languages that you can choose. There's a lot to choose from, so I'm just going to change it to Spanish, and I'm just going to press save and press restart, and it's going to open CapCut in that language once it has restarted. So let's just wait for it to restart. It may take a few seconds, minutes I'm guessing. I don't know why it's taking a long time, but sometimes it takes really long, especially if I haven't changed the app to that language in a while. So there you go. Now it's in Spanish. If you want to change it back to English, you can change it up here, or you can change it in like your project. So go to menu and go here, which is the first like tab under these ones that have arrows. Then go to the very right, select the language, and select this blue button. And select the blue button again if you don't understand the language and you want to change it to English. Now your CapCut is back to English. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!